So, I've been getting much further than I was with the initial video that I made. Took a couple more steps, had some lunch, did my thing, added some stuff to the drawing. So basically I just added the cool Apple logo and iPad. This one's actually a 128 gigabyte, so much cooler than the 64 gigabyte flash solid state. It's a 128, so upgrading a little bit. But yeah, so I took that, did that, printed it out. So I've got this excellent. This is actually more of a papery anodized look. This is the card, the anodized card. I actually like the card much better because it's card, but also the shape is the shade of the anodized looks a little bit more believable than this one. This one's more like something you'd have on stage, on a production or something. It's a little more glamorous and flashy, and it might actually work from far away and look better on a camera. So I'm going to use this because I'm ideally making this for like scenario planning and observational research, like watching people. Eventually I want to make better ones out of plastic and like do funny things where I drop them down the stairs and watch people's reactions and all kinds of fun stuff. But anyway, this is what I have right now with the ribbing all set up. So it's on there, just sitting there, lined up the right form that I would need. Except I can't figure out this radius and how to span this properly. It's really tough. If somebody's got any ideas, send them over, or edit my drawings. I'll be putting these drawings up online for everybody because all this talk of free iPad. I mean, fuck, you got to put a free iPad up for people so they can do it. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I got so far, and going to attempt to make something that, I don't know, like eases this transition here, because once it's made and I want to touch it and use it, or hypothetically use it, play with it, it's going to have like big push marks and dents when it, when the material moves in and out. So if I finger on it, I don't want to have like little ribbing lines show up as the material gets played with. So it'd be nice if I could, have a form of this. It'd be sweet if I could just take urethane foam, make the form, and slap it on the back. But that's for another time, I guess. Anyways, that's what I'm doing. I ran out of printer ink, which kind of pisses me off. But it's also kind of neat because it almost looks like a little bit of a shine happening. I know that there's this shine from the light, but when it's half printed, it kind of looks like it's got a gleam on the top of it from a certain angle. Anyway, may have to print that again, get some ink. But yeah, it's cool. I'll see you, I guess, in part 3 when I'm actually gluing it together.